Some people call it a city. Other people call it a small town. But more than anything else, Tupelo, Mississippi is a community. It's a community where a rich past intersects with a bright future. It's America living in color, a place that inspired a boy to become a legend. A place that inspires ordinary people to do extraordinary things. It's a place where people from all walks of life come together with a common spirit of goodwill. A fun place. It's that place that you expected it to be. A safe place to grow old. A safe place to be young. With a rich heritage, friendly faces, an attractive, clean, and healthy environment. Tupelo is that refuge of the American ideal. A place for families, a place for friends. It's a place you'd want to be born. A community that knows the value of working together. And a community that knows how to have a good time. It's also a place with its eyes toward the future, with great schools and growing opportunities for all who wish to enjoy them. Yes, Tupelo is a special place, a proven fertile ground for endeavors artistic and commercial. Right here in the middle of the Mid-South, with so much to draw upon, so much to say, so much to do. Easily accessible from every direction, reaching out in every direction. It's a place you'd expect. But you're also in for some nice surprises. People from all over the world come here, and there's a reason for it. It's the birthplace of a king and the commercial center of our growing region. In today's harried world, it's nice to find a place, an easy down-home place, where community still exists, where it still thrives, and where it still welcomes all comers. Tupelo, Mississippi is a community that is 140 years in the making. Come add to the mix for a weekend or for a lifetime. Let Tupelo call you back home.